Okay, what's up YouTube? Patient Crypto again, and about to give you a video on opening up your Ayaneo Kun and changing your SSD, your NVMe SSD. I'm changing this to a 4 TB NVMe SSD, and essentially I just want to kind of give you guys, a rundown of how it's done. So I have my keys here to kind of show you. So I'm gonna try to see if I could pull this part off. So let me just pull it off. So you want to pull off these two covers right here, right? You can just pull it off with your fingernails, right? Then you want to essentially look at the side. So there's 3 screws right here at the side, 3 screws right here. There's some screws below here, right? There's 2 screws below here, right, which I've already screwed out, and there is some screws also below this. So if you pull off this right here, like that, you pull it off right there. There's 6 screws up here, right? There's also 1 screw beneath here, and you just need to unscrew all of these. Right, and then you want to use, you can even use this, right, and you want to kind of pry it off, right? So you want to use something, like maybe a credit card or something like that to kind of just pry off this side. So you pry it off, like, you start from the sides. I'll recommend. So you start from the sides and you just pry it off like that. You use like I'll say a credit card, old credit card, ID, or maybe a guitar pick, stuff like that. Anything that is thin and that can kind of fit through, you could just use this. You could just use this that you pull off here and just try to pry off the sides. Once you take off all the screws, you pry the sides off. It's easy to pull up, and then we go from there. Pull your case off, right? Now, obviously, you're gonna have more screws again, right? There's more screws, right? So there's 4 screws here. So there's a screw right here, right below the ribbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 below, 1 below the sticker right here. 4, right? So you wanna unscrew those. And wow, that screw kind of dropped below, but it's right here, right? So okay, let me make sure that I don't lose this screw. So there we go. Have that screw right here. So now, this comes off easily. Just kind of move that a little bit to the side. Okay, now you just need to unscrew this. So you just need to unscrew the actual SSD. There we go. And then you just need to pull it right out. Alright. Screws a little bit stuck right there. Let me just kind of take that out. Alright. So now we're gonna need to replace with this SSD. So right here, not sure what this is right here. I think this is some other module. Not 100% sure. But anyways, we know that this is our SSD. So you want to insert that right there. And we want to go ahead and screw this this back in. Okay, so there we go. So pretty much the process is done. You know, I got the Ayaneo started up and everything. Was able to, I think I missed one screw though, but I was able to put it back together. So now I'm going to be installing the drivers. I probably could make a video about setting up your driver. Obviously, this is using, I cloned the Rogue Ally SD card, so this is literally just has the Rogue Allies stuff on there. So I'm gonna have to delete all the Rogue Ally stuff, like the Asus, my Asus, stuff like that, and I'm gonna have to install the Ayaneo drivers and set up the whole package and then restart and everything. And so I may make a video about that, but let me know what you guys think about this one. Have a great day. Pitch Crypto signing out.